In order to cope with different measuring tasks, different measuring machines are usually used. For this purpose, software products from several suppliers are also usually used simultaneously in the evaluation. Thanks to PointMaster from Wenzel, all measuring tasks can now be carried out independently of the machine with just one single software. PointMaster is used for the further processing of measurement data in the form of point clouds and polymeshes. Both metrological evaluations can be carried out and measured data can be converted into design data. The software has a modular structure and can be configured to suit a wide variety of applications. For reverse engineering, a surface boundary on the polymesh is sketched. At the touch of a button, the entire surface bond is given continuous curvature surfaces. After completion, the surface bond can be exported as a CAD file for production. PointMaster offers comprehensive format support. Data can be imported from various sources, e.g. directly from CATIA version 5. With PointMaster, parts can be compared against CAD data and part-to-part comparisons made. It is possible to perform these as full surface 3D comparisons and to view selected 2D sections. 3D defect analyses can be performed on CT measurement data, and different materials can be easily converted into polymeshes. Measurement results can be documented in an appealing and meaningful form. The comprehensive format support, the extensive functions, as well as the possibility of performing measuring tasks on different machines make PointMaster a first-class product.